YouTube, what's up? How you all doing? So missing starters during quarantine before your lunch or dinner? No hotels, no one to prepare, but I got you a very delicious recipe to do at home. That is paneer chili fry. It's going to be spicy and very juicy. So let's try this dish today, and I'm going to teach you this dish, how to cook this. See you in my kitchen.
I've told you to cut onions into small pieces, big semicircles and stuff, yes, but this is a different dish. You have to cut it into square pieces and separate the layers like this. The second vegetable we're going to use are capsicums. So what are you going to do with these green, juicy vegetable? You're going to cut them into square pieces. First, cut them into thin slices and then eliminate the white part inside it and then cut it into square. You know, this thing here, the white sweet thing, is the highlight. It is the highlight of the dish. What are you going to do with the paneer? Cut it into blocks. Same, bigger blocks. You can reduce the size if you prefer to, but I am cutting into a little bit bigger blocks than usual. So you can reduce the size if you want, not too small, because that is not how the dish is. It has to be a little bit big and squares like this. But hold on, there's another highlight. This dish is called paneer chili fry. So I'm taking 10 chili sliced into long pieces. Now drop in your cut paneer pieces into a vessel. Now it's time to coat your paneer pieces with corn flour. So add 2 spoons of corn flour. Add a little bit salt. You have to coat all the paneer pieces properly from the corn flour. You don't need to add water, it's fine. The paneer itself is a little bit sticky, so the corn flour easily sticks to the paneer. So mix it well and see that all the sides of paneer are coated well. Now let's make our dish delicious with the help of fire. Let's pour in some oil up to a level of 1 inch high from the base of the pan, so that you have to drop in your paneer pieces first. First, you have to fry your paneer pieces. So drop in your paneer pieces coated with corn flour into the oil. Let your paneer pieces fry well, and after one side turning brown like this, a little bit brown or brownish, more brownish than this, you can turn all the paneer pieces upside down and make sure that both the sides of the paneer have become brown, and that's when it's going to be crispy. After both the sides of the paneer turn brown, you can take them out and keep it aside. So I'm taking the same pan and I'm taking 2 spoons of oil in it, and let the oil heat up a bit, and then you can drop in your cut square onion pieces. You have to fry them a bit, not completely brown but a little bit. After your onion pieces fry halfway, drop in your cut long chili pieces and also mix them well so that they also fry a little bit, and let them turn a little bit brown. Add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste, or you can also add finely chopped ginger and garlic pieces. They have to be very finely chopped, and then mix them well. Now add your capsicum pieces also and let them fry for a minute or half. Now add 2 spoons of soya sauce. Since you're adding soya sauce, you don't need to add too much of salt, maybe a little bit salt, that's it. And next I'm going to add chili sauce. If you want, you can also add tomato sauce if you prefer, but adding chili sauce will spice up the dish a bit, and that is going to make it tastier. So it's better to add chili sauce and give it a mix. And as I've told you, a little bit salt. Now put the paneer pieces which you've already fried before and kept it aside, add them into the vessel. Now it's time to mix the dish well. Mix it up so that the soya sauce, chili sauce and all, they get mixed up well and get coated well. Let the dish fry for some time, maybe a minute, that's it. And meanwhile, take 2 spoons of corn flour or 2.5 spoons of corn flour, and then add half glass of water into it and mix it well and make it like a smooth liquidish paste, which you have to add it into the dish. Now add that liquid into the dish and mix it well until it closens up and becomes tighter, and that's it. Your dish is going to be ready. Cook it for 1 minute on the flame, on medium flame, and then your dish is ready to serve and eat it.